yo, 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 yo. Let's go! Have a good time? For blue, well, it is what it is. Wait, but check. And we multiply everything by 20 times, so the max will be now is 4,000x.
The lad is crying. Come on, Pradeep. It's not joke. Alpha blue and green 150, and hello team, you have a trouble, guys. Gonna be.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
It's 4x and crazy. Oh, come on, guys. I had a feeling we might. Let's go. We got something to attend to here. Yes, we got it. Not a simple one. Comes with the top slot. Everyone has some smiles on their faces right now. Hopefully just for a second, guys. 4x dropping on this wheel right now. Well, look at that. It's 4 times better now. The highest multiplier. Oh, it's gonna be now. What exactly? Let's see later. First things first, choose your flapper now. Green, blue, yellow, one up to you. Which one to go for? And now, yes, it's 400x unless we hit some doubles. Good luck. Hold up. We got 60 for the blue, 200 for the yellow, and double for the green. Okay, let's double it up one. Whew. Let's double it up, and now the highest one stands as 800x. Let's hit it one more time.
This is the amount of money issued for 167,956 euros.
Yes, that's a pretty good one as well.
Spin is done. We have a cash and power and top slots. Would be nice if you get it. Hey, loser, what is that CSK match fixers? What are you talking, man? Come on, brother. Wait, we got a cash in with a forward stop slot, guys. Let's go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hana the bonus run. This time, it's slightly different. We have a cash in along with the top slot forwards. So you have to wait for a few seconds, please. So maximum multi, it's normal 100, but forwards gonna have play there. Yes. There we go, guys. So it's going to be 500, ladies and gentlemen. Choose your spot wisely. So maximum multiply 500, guys. Good luck. So right now, all the numbers are 800, the emoji. Beautiful emojis. It will be shuffled, and you have to choose your spot. Good luck, guys. Hey, Mr. Lozzie, I'll get back to you. Set CSK's match fixer, right? Vijay Malia. All right, guys. Time to choose your spot. Ladies and gentlemen, choose it wisely. If you forget to choose it, it will be chosen automatically, guys. 1 and 4. Peria, 1 and 4. So the duck, yeah? Okay. Dish. Okay, guys.
This is the amount of money issued 254,007 euros.
See it. Okay, so with that, congratulations to all the winners. 24 if you got a 500, 300 got a 250, and 5,412 in total got a victory. All right, guys, you're good to go. Top 3, it's a Katie, Ilots, and Joel Verlin, and your comments, please go for bets. So, guys, are you happy for last 2 bonus?
F with the first top win. Shall we do this? 3 pachinkos back to back, though, huh? Couldn't she leave some for us? Well, I hope they were solid. If not the last one, then the ones before that. Let's enjoy the game. Let's enjoy a little bit of crazy time. Jonesy, to answer your question about my colleague Leonardo, I think he will be back at this game eventually. Crazy time 7x. You know, it's a bit chaotic nowadays with old... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Well, pause the story time. Oh, my. Oh, my. 7x top slot crazy time. Second spin of the day. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Wow. That's how you start the session. Wow. What is this? Guys. 7x top slot before we do anything else. Oh my. Okay. All the numbers are multiplied 7 times, and it's time to choose the arrow. Choose the team, choose the squad, guys. Green, blue, yellow. Wow. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go yellow. Let's go 700 max. Boom. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 664,324 euros.
Green 350x, blue 140, and yellow 175.
1,859 good weekends of enjoy. You know why, RCB, they keep on losing, man. Because of this kind of fans, Let's go, guys. Hey, Murugan, good morning. How are you, brother? Small advice, loser. Never, ever support individuals on cricket, man. Never, ever support individuals on the crickets. Support the whole team. The lad is crying. Come on, Pradeep. It's not a joke, man. I respect him. Oh, man. Easy. No way! Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going home, guys. That's a crazy time with the 15x. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. I've never had it, guys. Let's see what we have inside. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the crazy time ball with a top spot 15x, guys. Marcy, this might be the one, Marcy. Ladies and gentlemen, you all know what you need to do, right? We have 3 flappers and we have 50 nets as well. Okay, let's wait for the 50 nets to play all over the wheel, guys. They almost broke a double that. No way, I made a 50 nets early morning. Right, ladies and gentlemen. Addition time has begun, guys. You have to choose yours. So we have a green, blue, and yellow. Please choose your color, guys, and time is over. Time is over. Maximum multiplier 3,000 nets, guys. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's grab the 3,000 nets. Marcy, do the 3,000. Yes, you can. Can. Ladies and gentlemen, you all can do it, guys. Oh, 375 for blue and green. 150 and hello, team. You have a triple, guys. Gonna be 9,000x there. Imagine if we get a 9,000x. Oh, man, Marcy can do it, man. Maximum multi, it's a 9,000x, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's grab it. At least I would love to see 5,000 plus. Oh, man. My heartbeat is super.
This is the amount of money issued 1,166,912 euros.
Wait, what is that? Oh, that's 1,125 for the Elo team, guys. Elo team. That's 4,750 for the making song. Enjoy. What a humongous bin. That's a stupendous session, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to our 4,715 got awakened off. Enjoy. Hey, hello team. Yes, brother, if you got it, man. That's CSK for you guys. Yeah.
The funny thing, well now, 2 with a 2x, that is our current top slot, but what do we take? Is that a crazy time I see? Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, bonus round of crazy time is coming in. Time to take. Alrighty then, come on right in. Let's rock, baby. And hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you back. Welcome to the bonus round of crazy time. Oh, yes indeed, with the biggie wheel, the biggest wheel out of them all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's your turn. Your turn to hit a flapper. Green, blue, yellow. Pick whichever you like. Whichever you think is going to give you that sweet, sweet highest multiplier. I don't even know which one would I pick. I mean, all those colors are not my favorite. I guess blue is my second favorite color, but still. Now, max multiplier is 100x. Let's go. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, seems like we got ourselves a 15x for the blue, 20x for the yellow, and a double for the green team. Oh, yes indeed, we got the double for the green. So now maximum prize 200. Let's roll.
This is the amount of money issued 51,327 euros.
And would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? 15x for the blue, 20x for the yellow, and 200x for the green. But that congratulations to all the winners of this round. Let's go back to the game. Booyah. Well, what can I say? Not too bad of a start. Holy moly guacamole. Alright, I see a number one Reno. With that, of course, congratulations to winners. LPV, you're at the top. Of course, best it open again, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget those bets. And let's see what else is on the horizon. You know, we're still missing the cash hunt and the pachinko. Would be nice to see those as soon as possible. Yes, ASAP. Now, crazy time with a 2x. Is that what we can take? Come on. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, would you look at that? Crazy time with a 2x. That's what we take. How you, Dante? I'm doing fantastic. I mean, look at this. Crazy time with a 2x. Let's get it. Alright then, come on right in. That's round 2, baby. Let's roll. And hello there again, ladies and gentlemen. Get to see you back to this bonus round of crazy time. Oh, yes indeed, we're back here again. The second round of the session, the first 10 minutes as well. Wow. Alright, so we have the biggest wheel here. You have 3 flappers to choose from. Green, blue, yellow, but first we multiply everything by 2 times, of course. Oh, yes. Yeah, I wasn't here for the last one, but I got this one. Let's go, strawberry. That's what I like to see. Now then, ladies and gentlemen, it's your turn. Decision time. Pick a flapper. Green, blue, yellow. Hopefully it's going to be a good time for all of us. Maybe we can get some more doubles up in here to use up, the 2x multiplier. I hope it's going to work out that way. All right. Hope you already got a pick. Ladies and gentlemen, maximum by 200x. Let's go. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, seems like we got ourselves a 40x for the blue, 100x for the yellow, and a double for the green team again. Would you look at that? The green team is having a field day, so maximum by 400x. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 70,623 euros.
And well then, ladies and gentlemen, seems like we got ourselves a 200x for the green, 40x for the blue, and 100x for the yellow. Not too bad indeed. I love seeing that. Congratulations, winners. Let's go back to the game. Boom. And we're back. We're back after the second crazy time. Wow, that is incredible. We got 2 crazy times in 7 rounds. What? How does that happen, though? How does ever happen? Wow. All right, let's go over the next bean then. Let's see what's up. Have a good time. For blue, well, it is what it is. Wait, Pachinko with a 20? Hey, yo! Is that it? Yes! What is this luck, ladies and gentlemen? That is a Pachinko with a 20x multiplier from the top slot. Woo-wee! Well, all right then. Let's see what's inside. Hello there, good to see you back. Welcome to the bonus round of Pachinko. All right. Well, this is going to be a beefy one. So, starting off with 2x, hopefully it's going to be a beefy one. The 5, 7s, 10s, 20s, 25, 35, 200 and a double. And we multiply everything by 20 times, so the max multi now is 4,000x. Whoa, that's going to be a tricky one. Well, everything depends on how this puck will land. Ooh, let's do it. All right, show me a good time, puck. Oh, the 4K is right there. We need a double then. Go to double. Come here. Yeah. Come to double. Come to double.
This is the amount of money issued 157,560 euros.
200x. Still, congratulations, students. Let's go back to the game. My heart. It happened right before my 4 eyes, and barely it could have fallen into that double, but it is what it is. Still, congratulations, winners. Woo! I was scared to 40x, yeah. Yo. Let's go! Nah. Is this real? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, baby, a triple. Actually, not even a triple. A 20 extra. I don't know what that is in those numbers, but hey, I'm all for it. I'm all for it, baby. Come on, show me up with 100x as the base one. Show me up with 100x as the base one. 15, that's still good. That's still big. That's still big. 60 or 300. 60 or 300. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, we come here this day to pray to the management. You hear me, management? 5th floor. Come on, answer me. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Kapuya.
This is the amount of money issued 138,940 for euros.
That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Chill, nonchalant, 6'3", redhead. That was nothing. I do that on a daily basis. Type shift. Nah. Come on. Let's go. I'm married, but right now I love you, bro.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.